these. These are whole chicken wings with the little tip and a little drumette. And I like to get them from Aldi's because this whole pack was just $12.02. Y'all know wings had went up, baby, but at the Aldi's, they don't disappoint at the Aldi's. They do not disappoint at the Aldi's. And this is really important to me when I get any of my meat. No antibiotics ever. That's real important to me. Real important to me. So I got this family pack from Aldi's, like I stated. And what we're working on is some deep fried wings. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So I'm so excited about today's video. Y'all say I got a little fancy for y'all. A little fancy. I don't really not a little fancy, okay? I got a little fancy. That's how serious I was. I said, I'm not coming to play. I'm not coming to parlay. I'm not coming to pitter patter. None of that. It's serious. It's serious. Today, I'm coming to y'all because we're doing something together. I'm making deep fried chicken wings for the first time. Just a few days ago, I had a therapy session and my therapist and I were exchanging recipes, and I was telling her how I had made these wings in the air fryer, and she started telling me about how she has a deep fried, how she deep fries hers in the oil on the stove. She just started telling me like how she did it and what she put on it, and I was like, how crispy it gets, and I was like, you gotta tell me with a good time. Baby, you do not have to tell me with a good time. That was 4 days ago. She told me that 4 days ago. Today's the day. Today, see that? We're making chicken wings. Today's the day. Y'all, I'm so freaking excited. I don't know what kind of stuff y'all be exchanging with y'all therapists, but baby, let me just pause for a moment of gratitude. Dear universe, thank you for my therapist. Thank you for my therapist, because don't nobody therapist hit like my therapist. And at this point, we've been together for over a year now, and I just love her dearly. I love her dearly. This is not the first recipes we have exchanged. Like, you gotta get you a therapist that aligns with you. And that's enough talking. We finna get into these chicken wings. I just want to come and say thank you all for coming back to my channel time and time again. If this is your first time here, I hope that you find a video that speaks to you so you keep coming back. Continue to try to always give you guys higher vibrations, give you guys new things that I'm trying, share my experience and my journey with food with you all, and hope that y'all can gain something from it. And just have a good time when you come up here. I want y'all to feel like over here is a safe space. A safe space about food. We can talk about it. We can be honest about it. We can we can help each other out in the comments. You know, I don't know everything. I'm just sharing what I know. So I'm always looking for tips, tricks, help, and things too. So drop it down in the comments. Let's chat. This is our tribe, okay? This is our tribe. We're here to stay. I love y'all. I'm glad y'all here today. If y'all new, come on back. If you returning, welcome back. I love y'all. I'm just so excited. Okay. Let's get cooked.
Okay, let's clean the chicken. Now I'm just putting the chicken in a bowl, and then I'm adding salt to this. I usually use salt and real lemon. I didn't have any real lemon, so I used a little bit of lemon juice, and then I add a little bit of vinegar. And then I'm just gonna add water to cover the chicken and mix that all around. And I just let it set a little bit. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit, mix it up a little bit, and let it set. Maybe like 10 minutes. I don't know. Clean your chicken. This is just what I do. Love when I'm frying to use grapeseed oil because, like it says there, it's good for frying. I got my oil on. I'm letting it heat up. Okay, y'all, I wanted to make sure I came back and chatted with y'all
while I actually did this, because I didn't want to take the chance of doing a voiceover and I not remember to tell y'all what I'm putting on the chicken. So as you can see, I've separated the drumette from the wing, and I've cleaned, and this is after I've cleaned the chicken and I've put it in the bowl. This is the bowl that I'm going to season the chicken in. So let's get started. Okay, so y'all got a view of the chicken. Now let's get into it. First, we're gonna start out with onion powder. Now y'all know I let my ancestors tell me what to put on the chicken. Now the one thing that my therapist told me to put was the brown sugar. Okay, this is some dry mustard. I'm adding some turmeric, some crushed red peppers, because you know I want it a little spicy, just a little. Some garlic. Ooh, we love garlic. Ooh, we love garlic. I'm gonna add some 21 Salute seasoning. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. Okay, we're gonna add some salt-free lemon pepper. I try not to add too much salt. Like if I know I'm using seasonings with salt, I'm cautious of the seasonings that I use. So far, I haven't put anything that has salt in here. About to add this garlic and herb. This has salt in it. It's not one of the top ingredients, so then we're gonna add some of this Asian style seasoning. It has a little bit of salt and a little bit of Tony Sassery, because my daddy says you gotta put that shit on everything. Just a little. Then like I said, I wanted to have a little heat, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce, and then I'm gonna add some brown sugar. I don't know how much to add, but y'all, listen to your ancestors. My ancestors and your ancestors might tell you to put different amounts. That's why you gotta listen to your ancestors. Now at this point, you can take a spoon and get in there. But baby, you can also put some, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Y'all just feeling the chicken. Okay, I know I said get in there, and I know y'all trying to cook with me, but dang, I didn't say all in the chicken. Hold up. At this point, I'm taking quality and feeling like you're there to a new level. Okay, I got y'all cleaned up. Let's get back into the chicken without y'all getting into the chicken. Okay, what I was about to say before y'all fell in the chicken was you could put some disposable gloves on and get in there, but I'm getting better with cooking chicken, so I'm just gonna use my hands. So I'm saying this to say, do what makes you feel comfortable. If a utensil makes you feel comfortable, do that. If using your hand makes you feel comfortable, do that. If putting gloves on make you feel comfortable, do that too. You see how we got options here. Now as I mix this chicken together, make sure everything is coated. I feel like it needs a little more seasoning. And so what I'm gonna do is wash my hands, add a little more seasoning, then put the top on and shake it. I'm not gonna put my hand in here again. I also wanna let y'all know while I'm seasoning this chicken, the oil is on medium high, so it can be ready as soon as we're done here. I mean, actually, this might be pretty good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid smoke. That smells good. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of liquid smoke, a little bit of that smoke flavor. And I wanna add some more garlic powder. And Oh, Lord. Maybe I don't need to add nothing else the way I'm sneezing. I'm adding a little more brown sugar. And a little bit more lemon pepper, salt-free lemon pepper. And then put this top on. Open this bad boy up. Okay. I think we're ready. What y'all think? I mean, it's looking pretty seasoned. But y'all, this how I check the oil. You can take some flour and throw it in there, but I just try to do like one little drop of water. Oh, it's ready. Ooh. See, that seems like a lot. I said one little drop, huh? I don't know. All right, it's ready. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, actually. Maybe I'll flip it out just a medium. Let's go with, I would say let's do drumettes first, but I guess we just gonna go with whatever we pull out. I'm gonna do just 4 at a time. Turn it down. And remember, I put 14 minutes, so we're gonna see. Turn it down to medium. I don't know if this is right, but I do notice that the oil is getting kind of dark. I'm assuming it's from the sugar. But maybe that's okay. We still have 9 minutes left, so I'm gonna turn it down some more because maybe it's still up too high. I'm not sure. For a second. Now the first ones, they were a little dark. I think I had the grease too high. Trial and error, try and error. I had the grease too high. I turned it down. I forgot my stove is different. And these are looking good. They've been in about 5 minutes. I actually ended up Googling how long does it take to deep fry chicken wings, because those were so dark, I was concerned. But now I see what my therapist means when she says like 14 minutes. So about 10 minutes, because the internet says 10 to 12 minutes for them to cook. And then for them to get a little extra crispy, she said leave them 4 more minutes. So now I understand. Because these, the grease was just too high. They taste alright. They taste alright. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I don't think it's edible. I'm not, yeah, okay. While we're waiting for the second little batch to go, I'm going to show y'all that this is edible. Look at that. That looks good. Nice and juicy. I mean, maybe you just don't eat the skin. Maybe like a charbroiled. Ooh, it's good. You take that skin off and get on down. Or you eat the skin and get on down. Yeah. The heat was just too high. See, y'all learned it with me. I'm not going to take this out because somebody needs to know. Don't turn the heat up too high, because this is what happened. Okay, y'all, and this is dinner. Mashed potatoes and gravy, maple honey, balsamic, Brussels sprouts, and the chicken. Get into the chicken. Oh my goodness.